Hello friends, welcome to my channel realgrowthtech Digital Marketing. Today's topic is about how to create professional forms in WordPress website with help of WP plugin. So this WP plugin is very easy to use with a drag and drop option. So by installing this plugin to your WordPress website, so it helps you to get the more leads. Today I will show you how to add forms to your WordPress website for both with simple and customized option. Let's go to my laptop screen and discuss in detail. This is my laptop screen. Go to the Google Chrome. Go to the WordPress website dashboard. This is the dashboard. Here go to plugins. In plugins, click on add new. In search bar, type WPForm. Click enter. Okay. This is the contact form 7. This is the WP form. You install this plugin. After installing, click on activate. Now this plugin is going to activate in your WordPress website. Welcome to WP form. Thank you for choosing WP form, the most powerful drag and drop WordPress form builder in the market. Again, go to plugin. In plugin, go to installed plugin. See, the WP form is installed in your system. Dashboard. Here it is displaying WP form. Here, go to the WP form. Go to add new. Click on let's go. So this is so much option for you to select the WP form templates, blank forms, simple contact form, newsletter sign up form, library book request form, academic advisory meeting form, community service form. There are different type of templates available according to your preference. Opt-in form and feature request form. Like this, you can select any template according to your website, product or service. So now I am going to select this simple form. Click on use template. Okay, this is a simple form having the field of first name, last name, email, comment and message. If anybody wants to contact you to your website, they will enter their name, email and enter their message. If you want to add this simple form to your website, go to embed here. It is asking to including select existing page or to create a new page. I will going to create a new page. So it is asking what name you are going to give this page. I am going to give contact us page. Before going, I will check my WordPress website. See, this is the website. This website doesn't have contact us page. Okay, so now we are preparing in WordPress dashboard. I have given name of contact us. Click on let's go. See, the simple contact us form is ready. You can publish to your WordPress website. It contains name, email, comment, and message. Here you can save to the draft, or you can publish right now. I will going to publish right now. Click on publish. Click on publish again. See, page is published. Here, go to the pages. Click on all pages. See, this is a contact us page which we have created with the help of WPForm. To add this contact us page to the website, go to the appearance. In appearance, click on menu section. See, in menu section, we have only four options: home, dashboard, student registration, and instruction registration. To add contact us page, click on contact us page, click on add to menu. See, contact us page is added to the website. Click on save menu. So to check in the website, go to the website, click on refresh. See, this contact us page is added. Click on contact us. See, the simple WP form is created in with name, email ID, and contact and message. With this, customer can easily connect with your website, and you can communicate easily with all the customers, those who are interested in your product or service, like that. Now, if you want to create or customize your WP form according to your selected fields, again go to the WP form, click on. See, like this, we can have this option of so many templates. Like this, if you want to customize, you want to create your own WP form, you can select create blank form. In this blank form, there is the option of adding all the related fields. Click on name. See, the name field is added. If you want to add phone number, click on number. In the number, click on number. So if you want to add the label, add phone number, mobile number, mobile number. See, the label mobile number is added. Again, if you want to add email ID, click on email. The email is added. Like this, if you want anything you want according to your preference, you can add anything. If you want to select checkboxes, click on checkbox. See, the checkbox option is available. So if you want to give options to any of your customers to select, you can click on this. You can give the product service. You can select the label, anything product like ABCD. You can give the label satisfied. Anything in your mind you can select according to your product or service. Not satisfied. Satisfied somehow, like this. You can create the form as per your requirements depending on the product or service. After creating this form, the same way whatever we done in the last simple WP form, go to the embed, click on create, click on give the page survey form, give the name survey form, click on let's go, click on save and embed, click on publish, click on again publish, Yeah, so successfully page is added. We check page is added or not. Go to the website dashboard home page. Again go to the pages. Click on all pages. Already we are on all pages. See, this is a survey form. This is a survey form which we have created right now. To add this one, again go to the appearance. Go to the menu section. Again in the menu section, click survey form. Click add to menu. See, the survey form is added. Scroll down and click on save in. Go to the website. Again refresh it. See, the simple survey form is published in WordPress website. Click on survey form. This survey form is available here. Just I am showing only for the sake of your understanding. So you can create according to your preference, your choice based on your product or service. Like this, you can create as much template as possible with the help of WPForm. That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. I hope this video helps a lot in understanding how to install, how to use, how to add WP plugin to your website. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, watch to my video. In future also I will bring same kind of video which will enhance your knowledge. Thank you. Bye bye.